It seems both of you have had your bath. That's good. The family isn't doing anything despite its being Diwali. Daughters-in-law don't care about Diwali. When Grandma and your mom were around, it used to be such fun. The house used to shine early in the morning. Then there was oil being applied to the body, ceremonial baths, and lots of fun. But now, there is no point anywhere.
Let it go, Grandpa. Wish you a very happy
bless
Diwali.
you.
Jaggo, happy Diwali.
Bless you, bless you. Yeah. Take these gouts. You take it too.
Oh,
Grandpa.
Take it. Crush them underfoot. Go on.
It's really bitter, Grandpa.
I don't want this, Grandpa. It's really bitter. No.
This is our family tradition. Don't you know this? Lord Krishna killed Narkasur on this day, right? That's why we follow this tradition. Crush it.
Narkasur is dead and gone. Why must we taste bitter stuff in his memory?
I said do it at once. Good boy. Come on.
Grandpa,
Crush it under your foot.
Grandpa, give me a laddu.
Hey, no laddus. You eat this laddu. Guess who made it?
It's nice. Who made it?
The tiffin lady made it.
I see the tiffin lady gave it. She cooks like your grandma used to.
There you go.
Come down for Diwali snacks. Come on. Let's go at once. Hurry up. Let's go.
My work is done. You can eat the laddus now. Eat. Thank you so much for the laddus. I swear they are so tasty. I really like them. Enjoy.
Mom, what are you doing?
My dear, Lakshmi Pujan is scheduled for this evening. We have to pray to Goddess Lakshmi, so I am cleaning all this up.
Mom, see, I painted a lamp.
Wow. Today evening we will light this lamp and put it outside, okay?
Yay!
Let's go. I'm done with this. I will finish up. You also finish up quickly, dear.
Mom, I want to come with you too.
Pari, only the office staff has been invited. Nobody will bring their kids. I would have taken you, dear.
The office staff is invited, so will Aunt Shefali come too?
Yes, Aunt Shefali will be there too.
Then will friend be there too? Friend will come too. Then I will come too. I will come too. I will come too.
My dear, you must not insist in this manner on a festival. You are a good girl, right?
Who is being stubborn?
Aunt Shefali.
Oh, my baby. Mwah. Happy Diwali, baby.
Happy Diwali.
How are you?
I'm angry with you.
Oh, so cute. But why are you angry with me?
It's been so many days since you met me. Don't you miss me?
I miss you so much. But you know what our Ghatonde sir is like?
He's the bald guy who keeps swiping his head.
Yes, that's him. He gives me a lot of work to do. Then we don't have any time to do anything else. Neha, why are you standing around? Go and get dressed at once.
I'm ready. I will take my purse and we can leave.
Listen, you should wear a sari at least for today.
Shefali, a sari? No, please.
Neha, you please go and wear a sari right
I
now.
look fine, Shefali. Don't do this.
I won't listen to you. Go and wear a sari. Get going at once. Neha, did you notice something?
What?
Listen, we have been working for this company for years now. But we were never invited by Sir to his place for Diwali, right?
Yes.
Why did he call us now?
I guess the big boss felt like doing it, so he did.
The big boss didn't feel like it. The junior boss must have felt like it.
What do you mean?
I mean, Sameer sir must have felt that I should go to his house on Lakshmi Pujan. What do you think? After all, I will be the lady who brings wealth to his family. But since he can't invite me alone, that's why he must have invited the entire staff over. He's such a dark horse. He doesn't say a word, he just does it. Now I feel so eager to get married to him and go to his house. I will get to be with my guy who has 500 crores. I will own that palace.
Palace?
Yes, a palace. Do you know they have a huge palace? It's much bigger than your Amber Society. The palace contains
Mom, I want to go to the palace too.
I will take you to the palace. But before that, say that I will get a husband who has 500 crores.
She will get the guy with 500 crores.
What is this, Neha? Tell Pari to say I will be the daughter-in-law of the family. Everything she says comes true, you know.
Shefali, have you lost it? Pari is a child. Why are you blabbering in front of her? Pari, my dear, I really can't take you. I'm really sorry. But what did a friend say to you? The palace will come to you, right? The palace will come to you. I will go and come back very quickly. Then we will pray, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let me go and call Aunt. Aunt, let's go.
Sima. Simi. I need to speak to you about something.
I'm listening. Talk to me.
Actually, I. Happy Diwali! We did not wish each other today, huh?
Same to you. But you didn't come here to wish me a happy Diwali.
No, I mean, I just want to say that you are looking very nice today.
I know that. You don't wish to say that either.
I am scared of speaking to you.
Don't speak to me then.
No, how can I not? I have to talk to you today.
Oh my goodness. Listen to me. Guests are expected to come out there. I must recheck if all the arrangements are done, okay? If the preparation is not done well, then your old man will taunt me in public, okay?
That's correct. That's what I wanted to say. Listen, it's Lakshmi Pujan today. The family is very happy. After years, Yash is also home for Diwali. There are many guests expected too.
Satyajit, say what you want and get to the point.
I just want to say that when everyone is happy...
Don't behave in a way that will ruin everyone's mood, right?
Yes. I mean, no. I mean, I...
Don't you worry about that. Dan won't have any trouble caused by me. In fact, there won't be any trouble at today's veneration because of me.
Hey, Simi, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm really happy today. You listened to all I had to say calmly. You did not oppose me at all. You are going to behave as I tell you to. That's what you are saying, right? I am really happy about it. I'm going to burst a few extra crackers to celebrate today. You see?
It doesn't matter if you burst a few firecrackers at the veneration. I will explode a huge bomb for sure. Just wait and watch. Happy Diwali, Yash.
Hey, wait a minute. Get out of the way. Come in line. Stand in a straight line, one beside the other straight. Sir, so we all got lucky today. That's why we got a chance to see Mr. Chaudhary's palace today. Sir is generous. That's why he invited us here for the Lakshmi Pujan. I will give you some instructions. You must listen to me carefully.
Suresh, wait. Just wait. Stop for a moment. What are you doing here?
Sir, I follow your orders at the office. But here in the palace, I am your senior. Mr. Chaudhary treats me your own Suresh, just like family. That's why you must obey my orders now. I admit you have never seen such a huge palace in your life. But you must behave yourself here. Hey, back away. Those are fresh flowers. Understood? Behave yourself. Don't touch the curtains or a painting on the wall, or you may go into a beautiful corner and take a selfie and photos. Don't act like fools, okay? I am warning you. If sir finds out, I will be disgraced. So you must follow my lead, okay? Now watch me. I will go to the reception. I will introduce myself. They will let us in at once. Sir, how many times have I told you not to put yourself ahead? This is what I do.
He's used to barging ahead everywhere, right?
Shh. Silence, please. Follow me. Come on. Hello. Myself, Suresh.
Sorry?
I am Suresh.
Suresh who?
Madam, did you join up recently? I am from the Mumbai branch. Mr. Chaudhary thinks of me as part of the family. I usually come here.
Sorry, I have been working here as a receptionist for 5 years now. I have never seen you here.
Suresh. Ma'am, we have come from the Mumbai branch office. The big boss called us over for Lakshmi Pujan.
Okay, wait. Let me call and ask him. I roamed the entire palace the other day, but I didn't see Sameer sir's room. I will see his room under any circumstance today. In future, it will be our room after all. I must check out that room.
Where did Shefali go? I must stop her at once. Otherwise, she will roam the entire house like she did the other day. Excuse me. Have you seen a girl here?
No, madam.
Where did Shefali go?
I want everything here in 10 minutes. Listen, all the prep is done. I'm only waiting for that. Yes, okay. Please let me know. Kuldeep, are you ready? Where's the water stall?
It's kept there.
Just go and check on it at once.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, get there at once. Okay, fine.
Sameer, is everything ready and proper?
Everything is almost done.
Let me know if you need anything. I'm in my room, okay? Huh?
Listen. Is that why you came to tell me you will be in your room upstairs? I already know that. Why must you tell me about it?
I just came personally to check if everything is okay. Just wanted to see it myself. That's it.
No, listen. Be honest. Did you come to tell me this or did you come to see? Who is here? Who is going to come still? Who is about to come? Do you think you can be happy alone up there?
You can't be happy, can you? You have to keep on going on and on and on about the same old things.
You don't get sick of behaving in the same way again and again. How can I get sick of saying the same thing again and
Do
again?
I keep behaving repetitively?
Now think about this. I knew you were upstairs, but you still came down and told me you are upstairs. What must I do?
What are you doing? Here, give that to me. Here.
Yes, get here at once. We are all set for the veneration. What's so scary about lighting up the lamp?
Wow! I'm sure this is Sameer sir's room. This is such an amazing room. These curtains are fabulous. This is unique. Sameer sir and I have the same tastes. A photo of Mohammad Rafi sir. I had no idea Sameer sir is a huge fan of Rafi sir, just like me. Now I will have him hear Rafi sir's songs every day. He will be so very impressed. Wow, Shefali, this is your future bedroom. Yes, I will just. Oh my god! Did Sameer sir pause on this song on purpose by any chance? He knew I was going to come over. He must be listening to these songs while dreaming of our future, I'm sure.
Shefali, what are you doing here?
Neha? Look at Sameer sir's room. Isn't it amazing?
But how did you get in here? If anyone sees you, then there will be trouble.
So what if someone sees Neha? Even if they do see me, it's not a big deal. This will be my future room. Neha, you know Sameer sir paused on the song especially for me.
What are you doing, Shefali? Shefali, I will get into trouble because of you.
Neha, Sameer sir paused on this song on purpose. These are all his heartfelt feelings, you know. He can't just express them to me. Shefali, get up please. If anyone notices our sweat, Neha. I'm feeling scared. Let's go away from here. Neha.